Preparing for the Certified Case Manager (CCM) exam is a significant milestone for many healthcare professionals. It's a journey filled with dedication, learning, and a deep desire to not only pass a rigorous exam, but to elevate the quality of care delivered to patients. That's where the book, CCM Certification Made Easy, Your Guide to Passing the Certified Case Manager Exam by Deanna Cooper Gillingham, comes into play. A comprehensive guide designed specifically to demystify the CCM exam and empower candidates to approach test day with confidence and clarity. This trusted resource is not just a study guide, it's a roadmap to understanding the complex world of case management and the specific requirements of the CCM credential. The book is meticulously structured to break down the CCM test content into manageable, easy-to-understand sections that mirror the domains and essential knowledge areas outlined by the Commission for Case Manager Certification, CCMC. By following this guide, aspiring case managers are not only preparing to pass an exam, but are also building a foundational knowledge that will serve them throughout their professional careers. At its core, CCM Certification Made Easy addresses the fundamental concepts and best practices that define effective case management. Readers are guided through essential topics such as the case management process, care coordination, transitions of care, resource utilization, psychosocial aspects, ethical and legal considerations, and the principles of advocacy and patient-centered care. Each chapter is designed to clarify complex topics, using real-world examples, practice questions, and succinct explanations to foster a deeper understanding. One of the standout features of this book is its user-friendly approach. The content is organized logically, progressing from foundational theories to more advanced applications. This progression ensures that readers can build their knowledge step by step, reinforcing concepts as they go. Key terms and definitions are clearly highlighted, making it easy for candidates to focus on the most important information. Each section is paired with review questions and rationales, allowing readers to test their understanding and reinforce learning in real time. A major challenge for many CCM candidates is synthesizing the vast amount of information required for the exam. This guide tackles that challenge head-on by providing concise summaries, visual aids, charts, and tables that make complex concepts more accessible. For example, where the case management process can feel overwhelming due to its multifaceted nature, encompassing assessment, planning, implementation, coordination, monitoring, and evaluation, the book breaks each component down, illustrating how they interconnect and why each phase is critical to successful patient outcomes. The guide also places significant emphasis on the practical realities of case management. It discusses the roles and responsibilities of a case manager, the skills needed to navigate healthcare systems, and the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration. Real-life case studies and scenarios offer context, illustrating how theoretical knowledge applies in practice and what ethical dilemmas and decision-making processes look like in real-world settings. Ethical and legal aspects are a particularly crucial focus, as the CCM exam rigorously assesses a candidate's understanding of confidentiality, informed consent, patient rights, and the legal frameworks governing case management. The book provides readers with clear explanations of relevant laws, standards, and best practices, ensuring that they not only know the correct answers, but also understand the reasoning behind them. Another vital component is the book's attention to psychosocial aspects of care. The CCM exam tests knowledge not only of medical management, but also of the social determinants of health, mental health considerations, cultural competence, and effective communication. CCM Certification Made Easy dedicates significant coverage to these areas, emphasizing the holistic nature of case management and the importance of addressing the whole person, not just the clinical condition. Test-taking strategies are woven throughout the guide, equipping readers with practical advice on how to approach the exam itself. Tips include how to manage time effectively, how to interpret tricky questions, and how to avoid common pitfalls. Practice questions at the end of each section mimic the format and style of the actual CCM exam, complete with detailed rationales that help candidates learn from their mistakes and build confidence. For those who prefer digital resources, the book is available in multiple formats, including paperback and Kindle, making it accessible to a wide range of learners. The paperback edition is priced competitively, and Amazon offers used and new options to accommodate various budgets. Quick shipping ensures that candidates can begin their studies promptly, and a 30-day return policy provides peace of mind for those who purchase the book. The author, Deanna Cooper Gillingham, is a recognized expert in the field of case management. Her credentials and experience shine through in the clarity, accuracy, and practicality of the content. She has distilled years of knowledge and real-world experience into a guide that is both authoritative and approachable. Readers consistently praise her ability to make challenging concepts understandable and to inspire confidence in even the most nervous test taker. In summary, CCM Certification Made Easy is much more than just a study tool. It is a comprehensive, thoughtfully organized guide that supports candidates throughout their journey to becoming certified case managers. From foundational concepts to advanced applications, from ethical dilemmas to test-taking strategies, it covers every aspect that a candidate needs to know to succeed on exam day and beyond. If you're considering the CCM credential, this guide is an indispensable companion. It will help you navigate the vast amount of information, focus on what matters most, and approach the exam with a clear mind and a confident heart. With its practical tips, in-depth content, and approachable style, CCM Certification Made Easy truly lives up to its name, making the path to certification smoother, clearer, and far more achievable. Whether you are just beginning your case management career or are a seasoned professional seeking certification to validate your expertise, this book provides the tools, knowledge, and encouragement you need. By investing in this guide, you are not only preparing to pass an exam, you are investing in your future as a competent, compassionate, and effective case manager. The journey to CCM certification is demanding, but with the right resources, it is well within your reach. Step confidently into your exam preparation with the guidance of Deanna Cooper Gillingham, and discover how accessible and manageable the road to CCM certification can truly be. Embrace the process, trust the guidance, and move forward knowing that you are equipped for success, both on exam day and in the meaningful work you do every day as a case manager.